video, I'm going to share one of the biggest lesson I learned this year in 2022. I was networking and reaching out to new entrepreneurs and coaches around the world on Instagram. What I just learned is that when I was talking to D Green, it's his name, what he just do is he helps coaches and consultants build a business by using videos. Like he helps people in making videos for their personal brands. That's just amazing. What I just learned is that what he told me is that when you are making videos for your brand or maybe for your consultation business or for your personal brand, what it just why it makes you unique, because you are getting out of your comfort zone. Most people are scared to put themselves on the camera and they fear facing camera. So that's a big advantage you get when you work on video content. It also makes people more trust you. Like it feels authentic when you post video content. It makes them feel more safer. So when you are trying to convert them into client or you are trying to make a sale, then it's a win-win. That's why you should jump into video content as soon as you can. That's just what I'm doing right now, and I'm sharing it with all of you guys, and I highly suggest you to make videos. And what he also told me is that you're not going to be good at making videos at first, but when you're going to make videos consistently on the daily basis, you're going to see that you are improving daily. So that's my take on video content. You should make it more and more. Yeah, I'm like you guys. I'm also learning how to make videos, and I'm going to get better. I'm going to share my journey with you. I haven't made this video in first try, so here are some behind the scenes. In this video, I'm going to share one of the biggest lesson I learned this year. When I was trying to connect with some new entrepreneurs. Yesterday, when I was trying to reach out to new people on Instagram, I just realized that I was not focusing more on the video content that I'm just focusing right now. First video is not going to come out as good as you want, and it's completely okay. Nobody is perfect at the beginning, but don't go for perfection. Just start making videos, and you're going to get better daily. So yes, go for it. So that you're progressing and you're going to keep learning and you're going to get better at making videos soon.